Hi, I am back with another exciting tutorial. Welcome to day 9 of the 30-day UI/UX Design and Animations Challenge. Today we will create a light and dark mode switch animation. I am taking a settings screen of a real estate app. It is the main point from which the user switches to either dark or light mode. I am using a simple now. Later on, we will practice using color variables also. You can use specific color styles for both dark and light modes. Particular colors for background, cards, texts, tags, etc. After duplicating change the color for every element of the frame. Then go to prototype mode, and add interaction on this toggle or switch, to navigate to the dark mode screen. Add interaction on the dark mode screen toggle to navigate back to the light mode screen. Here you go. Catch up for the next day. Thanks for watching.